at this. This is after it calmed down a little bit. This isn't as bad. Alright, well, surprisingly, that made it through that pretty easy. I knew it would make it, but that was pretty easy. I think that was easier than the Tundra, and it went through the most of it. As you can see, the highest amount was right between for my lifted CRV. And the Tundra I put in 4 high, and it got back, but there's a lot less snow on that side, if you can see right there. And then in the middle, yeah, that was a lot. That was up to my knee. So that did pretty good. Let's go see what else is right around close. I can't do nothing too crazy because I'm on call and I can't get stuck. If somebody's heater goes bad or something like that, or something's broken, I gotta go fix it. Look at this mess right here. Oh yeah, I made it through easier than the Tundra. Guys, these CRVs, man, they amaze me. Here's a pretty bad part. Let's see what we can do here. Go over to the side a little bit first. Right through. Right through. Wow, man. These things amaze me. Oh, someone's stuck. Let's see what's going on. Alright. Ended up getting that Dodge out. I didn't have to pull it out. We ended up getting the Dodge out, but I was about to pull the Dodge and the damn car. Something is weird in my rear end right now, and the brakes. So I'm gonna have to pull it in the garage this weekend. Now let's see if I can reverse back down this trail I want. Kind of thinking this is where I might get stuck. Like a champ, no issues. I love this thing. Let's go through that one more time. Look at that, no problem. give it much gas. Damn, this thing's a beast in the snow, guys. Literally, I do not have to even, like, try hard in anything so far, other than going up a hill. All right, guys, have a good night.